Hello tubers, this is that Toro I got the other day for free. I will insert a link here to where my short where I said I got it. They just gave this away. Actually somebody else got to it before me, but they said they didn't want it. The only thing I've been able to figure out what's so wrong with it was at the time when I got it, this muffler was just hanging off, and under further investigation, one of the bolts broke off in the block. I have since then, if you see there, I drilled it out with some left-handed screwdrivers. Left-handed drill bits I have, and I gave it a couple taps with a screw extraction kit and some WD-40, and then I went back in with the left-handed screws, left-handed drill bits, and it came right out. So I had to go to the a local hardware store, and I picked up some hardware of a shoulder bolt that was the same thread, but didn't really. It was a little bit different, and it works. It's down under here, and you can see it doesn't move. The muffler doesn't move. I also added thread locker to the threads to help it. I pull the cord in this, it runs. It's got a full tank of gas. It's a little low in oil. Let me show you. Here, I hate these. This one's like this. If you see here, it's below, so I'm gonna have to add some oil. The oil doesn't look terrible, so I'll have to sharpen the blade. I did power wash this. I'm gonna have to do it to handle it again. This thing keeps on cross-threading on me. There we go. I don't know if the self-propelled works. And let's take a look at the air filter here. I did shake this out. It's, could be better. And since it runs, I don't think I'll have to clean out the carburetor. I may just pull the bowl and take a look. But let me show you that it runs, and I can test out the self-propelled here. So let me get this air filter back in. Something else, if I remember right. And of course, I have, this was filthy when I got it. I power washed it. If I turn it over, if you look, see here, there's no baffle here, so it broke off. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might put something here, just some plastic, and then screw it in. So plastic like a bin lid or something. I've done that before. And the blade needs a sharpening, but it looks fully intact, and the belt's on the pulley. So I've got oil, and and the muffler's back on. So let's see if this will run, and see if the self-propelled works. And I'll probably this may be the only thing I do. I'll sharpen the blade, change, top off the oil. it runs, and the self-propelled works. Wheels are in not bad shape. So, call this done. I'll check the blade, I'll top off the oil, and I might pull the bowl of the carburetor just do a quick and dirty. So, this will be a short one, tubes. Later. Sorry for the background noise. Neighbors getting their driveway pressure washed. This is the lawnmower that had the broken muffler bolt. It runs and all. I just gonna go take a peek at the carburetor, just drop the bolt and take a look. I've got the fuel line clamped off. So for one of these, we just it's 10 mil bolts, everything. So let's see. Just gonna pull this off just to see what it looks like. And see, pull the bolt off. It's just a matter of taking that one 10 millimeter bolt off. Where's my, and because of the way this is, it's gonna have to be a wrench. So this will leak. Let me see. So that's tightened. This is loosened. Now, there we go, pissing out gas. Sorry for the terminology, but you do this in a well ventilated area, and then you take a screwdriver. After it's like this, and then just it should come off there. Perfect. I'll just put that back together. I might shoot some carb spray up the center there, but that's it. Just gonna give this thing a spit shine. I've done everything, put the muffler back on, shook out the air filter, sharpened the blade and balanced it. Inspected the carburetor, it's fine. Now I'm just gonna wipe it down and go from there. I might make a baffle underneath the deck for something that had broken off, but that should be it for this one. And this one was posted as free, come get it. It's for scrap. Go figure. A $3 bolt fixed it. Fixed the muffler. This will be the final look at this Toro. I didn't do the baffle. I may or may not, whatever. What I did do it, the muffler had broken off one of the bolts. I got one that was close enough at a local hardware store. Sharpened the blade. I checked the carburetor, it was fine. Topped off the oil. Air filter, I shook out, it could be replaced. It's not great, but it'll still work. Don't have a bag. And here's gonna be your final start here. be it. Later.